Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl, and in this video I'm making for you a delicious garlic honey butter salmon recipe right after this. Alright, first let's go over the ingredients. For this recipe you're going to need salmon. I got a whole side of salmon. You're going to need honey, you're going to need lemon, fresh garlic, Old Bay seasoning, cilantro, and unsalted butter. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is just make sure you have a sharp knife. I'm just sharpening mine. You don't have to get a side of salmon. You can get it already portioned. And I'm doing about maybe like 6-ounce portions. So right here you just see me removing the skin from the side of salmon. And right here I'm doing my portions. Like I said, I'm doing, about 5 to 6 ounce portions. Alright, right here you just see me seasoning my salmon with Old Bay seasoning. And right here I'm just chopping up some fresh cilantro. Alright, right here I'm slicing up some lemon. Now in a preheated pan, I just threw my stick of butter into the pan. And I'm just going to completely melt that down. I'm going to get the butter a little bit brown. That's going to add a little bit more flavor. And right here I'm adding in my fresh chopped garlic. And make sure you keep stirring up your garlic so it doesn't sit in one place and burn. Right here I'm squeezing in some fresh lemon juice. And all the ingredients will be in the description below. Alright. And also, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. Supports the channel. I'm trying to get to my first 1,000 subscribers, and I appreciate the help. Alright, now I'm going in with some honey. Yeah, so once your sauce is reduced down by half, you want to start adding your salmon, flesh side down, skin side up. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just browning the flesh side, and then I'm gonna pull them out. And as you see here, what I did was I pulled them out. I lined up the bottom with the lemon wedge, the lemon wheels that I did, and I'm putting the salmon back on top. Then I'm gonna throw it into a preheated 400-degree oven. It's gonna have the lemons on the bottom, giving it flavor, and I'm basting the top to get that garlic honey butter into the salmon as well. All right. So I'm going into the oven, and about 7 minutes went by, and here I am pulling them out, basting it a little bit more. And while I'm basting it, I got my oven on the broil setting. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back in the oven under the broiler for about 2 minutes, just to give it a little color. so there you go. It's all set. As you can see, you got a nice crust on top. So that's it, the garlic honey butter salmon recipe. Thanks for checking out this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also check me out on social media at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. That's for Instagram and Facebook. And also make sure you give a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. Peace and God bless.